Hachette Audio presents The First 3 Minutes, a modern view of the origin of the universe. Written by Steven Weinberg. Read by Raymond Todd.
To my parents. Preface. This book grew out of a talk I gave at the dedication of the Undergraduate Science Center at Harvard in November 1973. Erwin Gleichs, president and publisher of Basic Books, heard of this talk from a mutual friend, Daniel Bell, and urged me to turn it into a book. At first I was not enthusiastic about the idea. Although I have done small bits of research in cosmology from time to time, my work has been much more concerned with the physics of the very small, the theory of elementary particles. Also, elementary particle physics has been extraordinarily lively in the last few years, and I had been spending too much time away from it, writing non-technical articles for various magazines. I wanted very much to return full-time to my natural habitat, the Physical Review. However, I found that I could not stop thinking about the idea of a book on the early universe. What could be more interesting than the problem of Genesis? Also, it is in the early universe, especially the first hundredth of a second, that the problems of the theory of elementary particles come together with the problems of cosmology. Above all, this is a good time to write about the early universe. In just the last decade, a detailed theory of the course of events in the early universe has become widely accepted as a standard model. It is a remarkable thing to be able to say just what the universe was like at the end of the first second, or the first minute, or the first year. To a physicist, the exhilarating thing is to be able to work things out numerically, to be able to say that at such and such a time, the temperature and density and chemical composition of the universe had such and such values. True, we are not absolutely certain about all this, but it is exciting that we are now able to speak of such things with any confidence at all. It was this excitement that I wanted to convey to the reader. I had better say for what reader this book is intended. I have written for one who is willing to puzzle through some detailed arguments, but who is not at home in either mathematics or physics. Although I must introduce some fairly complicated scientific ideas, no mathematics is used in the body of the book beyond arithmetic, and little or no knowledge of physics or astronomy is assumed in advance. I have tried to be careful to define scientific terms when they are first used, and in addition I have supplied a glossary of physical and astronomical terms. Wherever possible, I have also written numbers like
Sample complete. Ready to continue?